Welcome to the beginner's tutorial on essential strategies for making money online. In this video, we will explore some key tips and techniques that can help you get started on your journey to earning an income online. One of the first steps in making money online is selecting the right platform to showcase your skills or products. Whether it's freelancing platforms, e-commerce websites, or social media, finding the right platform is crucial for success. To make money online, it's important to have a marketable skill that others are willing to pay for. This could be anything from web design and content writing to social media marketing or video editing. Develop your skills and position yourself as an expert in your chosen field. Content is king in the online world. Whether you're blogging, vlogging, or creating social media content, focus on delivering high-quality and valuable content to attract and engage your audience. The better the content, the more opportunities to monetize it. Having an online presence is essential for making money online. Utilize social media platforms, create a professional website or blog, and engage with your target audience. Building a strong online presence will help you establish credibility and attract potential customers. There are various ways to monetize your online presence. Explore options like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products or services, or even creating online courses. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Making money online is not an overnight success. It requires consistency and patience. Keep creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategies. Over time, your efforts will start to pay off. Congratulations! You've learned some essential strategies for making money online as a beginner. Remember to choose the right platform, develop a marketable skill, create valuable content, build an online presence, explore monetization strategies, and be consistent and patient. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve success in the online world.